Good morning and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We wish to acknowledge and respect the Lekwungen-speaking peoples on whose traditional territories we stand, and the Songhees, Esquimalt, and Wasatch peoples whose historical relations with the land where we live, work, play, and learn continue to this day. Please stand for O Canada and the school song. Thank you. Now over to Ms. Shea and Mr. Bowers.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy New Year. I am so happy to have all of you joining us again for Friday Morning Live and seeing at least part of your faces here at school as we return for the next part of our learning adventure together. I hope that you continue to follow all of the protocols to keep each other safe, and really appreciate you remembering to do things like put your mask on properly, wash your hands regularly, sanitize as necessary, and make sure that at recess and at other times in the day you're respecting people's personal space. All of those things will make a huge difference to keep everyone safe, and we look forward to everyone being back on campus very soon. Take care.
Have a fantastic weekend, everyone.